There is a column called above ground stocks. For gold, this number is about 200,000 tons, and for silver, only 60 to 90,000 tons. Why is that the case? Because whatever gold has ever been mined is still available, while silver corrodes and goes away, and uh, it has a faster depletion rate, right? So 50% of silver ever mined has already been lost, right? That also makes it a less attractive metal when you talk about investments, right? It is also 7 times more abundant. But what is more important is the moment there is an investment demand for silver, the investment grade stock for silver is much lower. And that is the precise reason why in bull markets, silver is becomes more sensitive to prices, more sensitive to demand and outperforms gold because investment grade stock for silver is hard to find, right? And so what is our hypothesis? Our hypothesis is that if gold prices continue to be stable and if they can rally more, there is a good likelihood that there could be some demand for silver also. And where will that demand come from? We do not have any clue, but we think that comparatively there is a margin of safety which is which has been built up for silver, and there is a much higher upside than the downside that we see for silver going ahead. So it could play out. It can be a small part of the allocation for investors and a tactical bet. It can never take the allocation for gold because gold is a much cleaner commodity, much more scarcer, much more bigger market compared to gold. The total gold market is about 22, $23 trillion, right, which is a very, very large number. For silver, the investment demand market is less than 200 billion, right? So it's not very, very, very big. So that is one of the primary difference between these two markets. Uh, the only thing that we see as a positive is that silver's investment demand has been missing for more than 15 years, right? Very similar case what we saw for gold. In case of gold, it was about 10 years. This is back in 2022 that I'm talking about. Silver is in a very similar shape right now. So there is a margin of safety. Those who are aligned with this thought process can participate in this commodity.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.